Hello guys, Chevy Equinox. I'm not exactly sure what year this one is, but this is something you don't see every day. This could be actually pretty bad. My understanding was that somebody replaced there was a clunking noise from the front end, and somebody replaced the axles, driver and passenger side, and I think they replaced it with they don't look like they're new. I think they may be rebuilt or something, maybe from the junkyard, I'm not sure. And so after they done this, I'm not sure was it happened right away or maybe a couple days later, there was a clunking noise, came back again, especially when the driver goes in reverse. And you can see there's some tracks over on the wheel on the inside, all the way around. And this is what happened here. There's a bolt. It's missing right there. It's on the top. The bottom one is missing, and so when you go in reverse, this whole assembly pushes it forward, and the bolt from brake hose starts to you can actually see right there, scratched a little bit. It's scratching the aluminum wheel, and yeah, this could be catastrophic. So I'm not sure what happened here, that maybe he did not tighten the bolt or completely forgot to put one down at the bottom. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's something that you don't see every day. So I got both of these bolts ordered, and we'll get it fixed. So just a little reminder, you know, when you do jobs, just be careful, you know, make sure everything is where it needs to be, and you know, when you take your hardware, just put them in one place, and you start putting stuff back together, make sure that nothing's missing or nothing is extra, so to speak. And alright, just a little, you know, reminder that what we do is very, very important. Alright guys, thank you, see you later, bye bye.